I'm Neoka Bromley, Gold Rush gal.
And I'm April. We just survived an epic Outback gold hunt.
Heat, wildlife,
We faced it all.
and we actually found real
Gold.
Watch right now. Join us.
Outback gold hunt, here we come.
This road goes for hours, outback country.
It's beautiful. I'm so excited. Look at those hills. Is that where we're hunting?
One of the spots, yes. Almost there. Get your detector ready.
I'm ready.
This is one of my favourite spots. Feel that ground? It looks perfect. Ground feels mineralised. Stay patient.
I'm picking up signals already.
Let's start here and work our way toward those rocks.
Lead the way.
First priority, set up camp before it gets too hot. This is heavier than I thought. Position them this way so it doesn't hit us directly at night. Got it, learning fast.
Good fire pit will keep us safe tonight. This is real bush life.
Eat up, we need energy for the afternoon hunt. This tastes so good after the drive. We'll start in the grassy flat, then move to the rocky gully.
Sounds good. I'm ready to detect.
Let's go find some gold. Lead the way, Gold Rush gal. Slow and low, overlap your swings.
Like this? I got a good signal.
Check the hole again. Good effort. That's how you learn.
Next one will be gold.
Let's try the creek bed next. Water traps gold. This bend looks promising. The water is so clear. Fill the pan properly from the bottom.
Okay, got it.
The heat is brutal today. Stay hydrated.
I'm melting, but still going.
This ground is so tough. Slow down, use the right angle. This is where most people quit. We don't. No quit in me. Nothing beats bush tucker after a long day.
Smells amazing.
I'm starving after all that digging. You earned every bite today. Tomorrow we go harder.
Can't wait.
Big signal. Easy does it. Could be anything out here.
Good find.
Night gold feels special.
This is unreal.
This one's deep. Could be good.
I'm filming this.
It's gold! Look at that! Night gold always shines brighter. Was that a kangaroo? Beautiful, isn't it? Back to hunting. Time for the best part, the way up. I can't believe we found these. Not bad for a tough day. Every gram feels earned. This is why we do it. Best day ever. Thank you. Morning. Sleep well? Like a log, ready for day 2. Today we hit the upper gully. I'm pumped. Let's make day 2 even better. Gold or bust? Bedrock is where the big ones hide. I'm on it. Signal in the crack! Signal in the crack. Nice work, go slow. That's a beauty. My best one yet. Whoa, big one here. Ah, coming over. It's really deep. Patience, this feels special. There she is. There she is. That's massive. We did it. After a nugget, always check the creek. I'm ready to pan. Keep the heavy stuff at the bottom. I see the black sand. Time to pack up and leave no trace. Already feels like home here. Always leave it better than we found it. Learn that today. Thank you for this adventure. There will be many more. I still can't believe we found real gold. This is just the beginning for you. The finds, the wildlife, it's all part of it. I loved every second. Until the next trip, April. Can't wait. This country gives us so much if we respect it. I feel so lucky. We didn't get rich, but we got richer in experience. Thanks for joining our journey. See you on the next one. Subscribe for more adventures. That's our full gold hunting journey with April. From the heat to the night finds, this is real bush prospecting. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe to Gold Rush Gal, and comment, would you join us next time? It was life-changing. Stay safe, keep prospecting, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching.